Our customers are end users, typically the farming community that demand a certain quality in a product. Quite off-put sometimes if it is made in China, but if we're selling them a product that we know is quality, we're selling it to them as a quality product at the right price, well then they're happy. Easy Imex for us does a lot of the sourcing, a lot of the negotiating, and basically breaks down the barrier between us and China. So they understand what we want for a product, and we're getting what we think is what the product we need. So we know that we're getting what we order. We're getting the product that we order at the right price. So we're not getting, we're not getting anything else other than what we think we're getting. There's no surprises. To do it alone for us without an agent would be, I think, a disaster, because you don't know who you're dealing with, what you're dealing with, what factory you're dealing with, or what product you're dealing with. Because we don't speak the language, we don't know the customs, we don't know. We don't really know anything other than a website, which is not enough information to buy. I think if you're going to import from China, you need to have help, yeah, so to speak, or that person who's in the middle between you and the China factory to make sure that you're getting what you want and you're paying the right price for the product you want to get.